So today I decided to prepare egusi soup. This is kind of different from my regular recipes. A lot of my friends don't believe that I can prepare soup, especially egusi soup. So today I decided to surprise them. Stay tuned to see the steps I took to make this amazing soup. First, I added stockfish to the boiling water. I'm the cook, by the way. I added some Maggi cube. I also added salt. While it was cooking, I decided to wash the goat meat to keep them ready, since it's the next thing to go into fire. Hello. Now I'm adding the goat meat into the fish so the both cooks together. I added some onions for flavor. I stir it up and let it cook for some time. I'm washing the dry fish with hot water. You can as well use cold water. This is ready. I added some palm oil inside the pot and allowed it to boil for some time. I added some onion just for flavor. I added the egusi soup, the already grinded egusi, and stirred till it mixed properly. Added the hydrogen 2 oxide. This is salt, not sugar. Maggi cube and black pepper. It's time to add the dry fish. That's what I'm doing. I stirred a while before adding the goat meat and the stockfish. I will stir it for a while before I introduce my vegetable. So I'm using ogo, also known as fluted pumpkin. You can as well make use of any vegetable of your choice. It's time to stir again. This time I will stir it, make sure it mixes properly, and allow it to steam for a few minutes. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I know you all can't wait to taste it. This smells so nice. Let me have a taste. Yummy. So this is exactly how we got to this point. I really wish you guys are here to eat this delicious meal with me. But well, some of my parents came and are here to eat too. Watch their expression, how serious they are eating the food. When they chop something, taifalo. Please guys, let me know what you think on the comment section, and please subscribe and share to your friends.